In this question, it is given that when a tennis player hits a ball, the ball moves up to a certain height, then it comes down. Okay, so figure is given to us. The path of the tennis ball is shown in figure and figure 2. This path is parabolic in shape. If the time taken in x-axis and height of the ball is taken in y-axis. Suppose this is x-axis and time is taken on x-axis and y-axis height of the ball. So like this ball will travel. Okay, these are the different positions of the ball at certain time. Parabola is the graph that results from p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Parabolas are symmetric about a vertical line known as the axis of symmetry, and the axis of symmetry runs through the maximum or minimum point of the parabola, which is called the vertex. X coordinate of the vertex is given by minus b by 2a. So here this point is called as vertex and x coordinate is given by minus b by 2a. Okay, so what we can consider here, at this point ball reaches to its maximum height, isn't it? After that it goes down. So at minus b by 2a time, we can say ball will reach to the highest point. Now in this case, h is 3 plus 14t minus 5t square, where h is the height and t is the time. So this expression, quadratic equation in terms of t is given to us. Now we'll come to the question. This is the figure given. In both the figure, you can see x-axis represent time, y-axis represent height of the ball. What is the question one is what is the quadratic equation when the ball hits the ground? So now you can see here position of the ball like this. When ball hits the ground means here the ball starting from here reaches here this point B suppose. Okay, so at this particular position height of the ball is 0. So we have given height is represented by 3 plus 14t minus 5t square. Okay, now it is 0. H is 0. So we'll put h 0 here. So 3 plus 14t minus 5t square equal to 0. This is our required quadratic equation. But here we have to check this minus 5t square in A and C option. Then plus 14t we have, minus 3 is not there. Okay, because plus 3. So these two options will go. Then we can, for B option, we have to rearrange the terms. So throughout we can multiply with the minus sign. So 5t square will come minus 14t minus 3 equal to 0. Now we will check option B. So yes, this is correct. Okay. So this is the 5t square minus 14t minus 3 equal to 0 is our quadratic equation. When does the ball, question number 2 is when does the ball hits the ground? When means time we should find. Okay. And we know when ball hits the ground, h will be 0 and our quadratic equation is 5t square. In question number 1 we got this quadratic equation. So we will solve this. Okay, 5 3s are 15 and this sum should be 14. So sometimes we cannot directly find the factor. Okay, so you can go with the formula method also. Now here we will check 5 3s are 15 and minus 14 should come. Okay, sum should be minus 14. So minus 15 we can write as 15 ones are. Okay, minus 15 plus 1. That will give sum as minus 14. So directly we can solve this. If we take 5t common, t minus 3 will be left. Sorry, this will not come. Minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, now t minus 3 is there. So minus 1 will be common. Okay, this is plus only. This is plus 1 will be common. So it will be t minus 3. So t minus 3 common. 5t plus 1 will remain. T equal to 3 or t equal to minus 1 by 5. Negative is not possible in our case. Okay. So t equal to 3. After 3 seconds, ball will hit the ground. After 3 seconds means option number B. Next question is at what time the ball reaches the maximum height? See in the question itself it is given ball maximum height of the ball is at vertex and x coordinate of vertex is given by minus b by 2a. Okay, so what is x coordinate? X coordinate represent time, isn't it? So if we substitute, we have 5t square minus 14t minus 3 equal to 0. Here a is 5, b is minus 14, c is minus 3. So at maximum height, this is our time. Time is given by minus b by 2a. Substitute the value minus of minus 14 by 10. Okay, so 14 by 10 that is 1.4. 1.4 after 1.4 second that is in option C. So option C is correct. Question number 4 is the ball reaches a maximum height of. So now in this case height we should find and maximum height and we know after 1.4 second ball reaches to its maximum height and h expression is given in the question which is 3 plus 14t minus 5t square. So here if we substitute t value as 1.4 we will get our maximum height. So t square means 1.4 square. So 3 plus 14 into 14 square only. So 19.6 and here 1.96. 14 square means 196. So this will give 22.6 minus this will be 22.6 minus 9.8. If we subtract we will get here 8 and 21 minus 9 means 12. So 12.8 feet is the maximum height. Okay. Next question is last question of this case study. If height is given by this expression, after how many seconds of hitting the ball will reach a height of 8 feet. So here height, expression of height is 5t square minus 5t minus 2. And how many second means time we should find if height is 8. So we'll substitute h value here. So after rearranging the term, we will get this 8 we can write along with this quadratic equation. So 5t square minus 5t minus 10 equal to 0. Throughout divide by 5. So t square minus t minus 2 equal to 0. So here t square minus 2t plus t we can write. Okay, minus 2. T we can take common t minus 2 plus 1 we can take common t minus 2. So t minus 2 is common and t plus 1. So from t minus 2 bracket we will get t equal to 2 second. This value we will discard because in this t will be minus 1 second which is not possible. So t equal to 2 second is our answer.